Welcome to KSI Data Research. In this video I'm going to show how you can bring number of table you can import from different source to the Excel. In my last video I have shown you can, using the SQL Server, you can import and export many different source data into the SQL Server. In this video I'm showing from using the Excel and Python. Alright, so let's do it. So first open the Excel. Alright, so here you can see we have a power pivot menu bar here. If you do not have it in your Excel, you can right click and customize the ribbon. From here you can see the power pivot, one of the item right here. You can also add it in your Excel. Anyway, I have it here, so I'm going to click the power pivot, and then using the manage data model I can bring number of table from different source. Alright, so just click the manage data model. So here you can see the pop-up window open. In this page you can see here from database you can bring from SQL Server, you can connect with Access, Power Pivot, or if you go to the other source you can see there are a number of different sources you can also use by connecting the Microsoft, Oracle, Access, Teradata, Cyber, so many source right here by ODBC connection. You can connect and bring any data sets or tables to the Excel, import it to the Excel. Alright, in our case here I am going to connect the SQL Server, go to the next. So I have to give the server name right here. So go to the SQL Server, take the server name and just put it on that server name in right here. Okay, so here I will be able to see the number of table, so all the table from SQL Server right here. In our case I'm going to use HR database. So from here go to the next, now you will see all the tables under the HR database. So here all the tables you like to bring it in Excel. So just select the country, department, employee, job history, job location and region. All the table, HR related table I just highlighted. So now if you just go to the next, finish, you'll bring all those table into Excel from SQL Server. Alright, so successfully bring all the table connected here. So just close it. You'll see in here country, department, employee, job history, job location, region, all the table right here. Alright, so now if you wanted to see the data model, you can see also diagram view right here. Alright, so here is all the table connecting to each other. So if you wanted to do further the dashboard or reports, if you wanted to pivot table, also you can do that from here. Alright, now I'm going to show you using the Python. You will be able to take the data from the Excel. Here I am showing right here from the Excel, import to the Python. Also you can export that data to the, bring it back to the Excel as well. So if you open this world population right here, this file, you'll see all the data here. I'm going to export that data, or from the Python I can say I will going to import this data from the Excel. Okay, and then I will do the export from the Python to the in this file. Okay, see in this file over here. So how we can do that? If we go to the Python, here is the Python Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook used for data science. So for data science Python for data science. So this tool heavily used for this Python for data science. Alright, so how we can bring this data over here? So you have to just give the write down the code. You have to read the data from the Excel. I can say import equals to, I will give the variable, and then I have to give the I have to use the pandas library in order to bring in the data. Read underscore Excel. So now I have to give the path over here. So what is the path is in a desktop? You can go from the properties, take the path from here, and this file name is world population and extension is XLS. Okay, go back to the Python Jupyter notebook, and here we can put the path, and this is file name is world population. I have to give the double backspace, and I also give to extension XLS. Alright, so this is the path for this Excel file. I'm reading it and using the library pandas PD. Okay, so it's supposed to give this value to IAM. So run this one. Before I run, I have to run also these two, and then run this one. Alright, so now if I write T, I should be able to see. I can take the top row. Okay, so just run it. You should be able to see all that. This is the table. We can bring it in over here, and here is the top 10 rows for this world population data. Okay, so that's how you import data from Excel to the Python. Thank you for watching.